So somebody said dreams are the ones which are not dreamt when you are asleep. They are the ones which are realized by opening your eyes. So I have not seen Kirti sleep in the last 10 years in particular so that he can realize this dream. This forest came across with a lot of sacrifice, but with an intent of the Stonecraft group to be biophilic, sustainable.
Air quality monitoring system is only a device, an instrument. It is not the solution in itself. It is not the end in itself. So it is a device to actually spur us into action, to take necessary steps to make the air purer, cleaner, and the landscape greener. I don't have to actually go and see the reading. I can feel the difference. I can feel the difference in the air, that this is a much better place to be in.
Slovenia is probably one of the very rare countries. You know, we have 60% of forest, so you can imagine that nature is part of our daily life. But I think in that regard, Hyderabad is a big competitor to us. And I think that Mr. Chilukuri and the Stonecraft group are the pioneers here in India in that direction. And I invite each and every one, to do a little bit every day to contribute to his vision. Very good.